Transferring money from your Woodforest to your Cash App is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can transfer your money from your Woodforest to your Cash App. Well, the process is pretty simple. You just need to link your Woodforest card to your Cash App and you will easily be able to transfer the money. So I'm going to teach you how you guys can link both of these bank accounts and transfer the money in between them. In order to do that, you have to be at your Cash App and this is how it will look. Here you have to tap on your money and then add cash. And then you have to enter the amount you want to get from Woodforest. And after entering the amount, it will take some time and you just have to confirm by your PIN on your Cash App. Now, after the confirmation, it will ask you how you would like to deposit your money. At first, it will ask you if you want to do it through debit card or bank account. You just have to link according to you. If you have a debit card, you can use the Woodforest debit card as well, or you can use the Woodforest banking as well. Now, after it is connected, you can easily, add the money without any problem by doing the same process. So that's pretty much it. That's how you will be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.